Hi, once again, it is the 28th or 20, I think it's 27th. It's the 27th Tuesday, so I have another 15 minutes on my hands. So what I want to do is take this bad girl over hell, and this bad girl over, not that one, hell, and put a tire onto the the Jeep. So let me set this right here for right now, and I'll set you up. A couple phases, and this shouldn't take that long. So just relax. Don't get all fired up and freaky on me. Set you here first. Yes, I know it's raining. So what happened was the Jeep had a flat tire. Basketball Jones. I got a basketball Jones. Okay, come along with me, people. So what I did is I set the tire right here, and here's my beautiful Jeep. I cannot wait to get this bad girl going. So this thing had a flat tire, obviously the back driver, right? How about that? So kind of messed up. Oh, it's got grease on there from the last time. Spider webs. This thing's been in the woods for a year and a half, 2 years. I don't know how I got to line this bad girl up. One screw was in the middle, top. I'm not as strong as I used to be, guys. So now the bad thing is I got to get my knee. You know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm going to get a rug so I can sit on it. Put my knee on it. My knees are in bad shape. Isn't that a surprise? So the rug I want is this one over here. It's really soft. I put duct tape on it. Try to make it last as long as I've had it like for 5 years now. So I'm pretty proud of myself. So set that down there. Let's see. Can you guys see me? Oh yeah, wonderful, 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 wonderful. Now I can get on my knees. Youch! Ugh. Youch! I'm gonna raise that bad girl way up high. See if I can do it. I don't see the bolts. I'm gonna have to sit down. So I get my hand underneath this thing. You guys still there? Watching me struggle? The struggle is real, ladies and gentlemen. The struggle is real. Gotti. Now, if I can get just one on there for now, I'll be a happy camper. Now it can't get away from me. Two, and then I know I got trapped. Alright, I'll start them all. 3 more to go. 1, 2. So I must have had these tires off a little while ago. Well, a little while ago. 2 years ago. For whatever reason, I greased these studs. So they're all on. Yikes. I'm gonna take you with me so you're not bored just staring at this Jeep. Come on. Come on, follow me. Lens looks pretty good. It's raining, so might be a little nasty. These things are so cool. This is not a fuel. So this is, I don't think this one's mine. I think it's Tony's. But I told him I got it and he never complained, so really I want another drill motor. That's really what I want. Alright, let's do it. So just tighten them up, snug them is all I'm doing. Dead battery, that's okay. So now, I got this thing in first gear, so I can tighten it up. Okay, you still there? Are you bored yet? I know I would be. Let me move you over this way. How about that, huh? How about that? Take the socket off of this thing. Ugh. Do the tighten up. You guys remember that song, The Tighten Up? Crisscross applesauce. Now tighten, really tighten it down now. Yeah. Now just go around the horn and make sure they're tight. Gluten tight. You guys remember what gluten tight means, right? I think it means good time. So, drop this bad girl. I really like this jack. There. So here's the cool thing. Yesterday I took this off. Look at this mess. I took this tire off and I had a company called Bell Tire. Bell Tire? Bell Tire! Bell Tire! Oh, Mama, I bought this piece of junk from Harbor Freight and it's lasted me 8 years. I had one from Craftsman. Ooh, Craftsman, very good, right? It lasted me 2 years and I took a dump. So into the garbage it went. I was so ticked off. I YouTubed it and all the instructions that they said was crap. So, Craftsman, no bueno, little Spanish lingo there. So the tire is on. I just got to clean up now. Clean up my mess. Oi! Oi! And of course, the tripod. And does that tire not just look so wonderful? So one of me times is each tire's got to come off. I want to sand the aluminum and either spray it aluminum paint, and clear coat it, easy for me to say, or paint it another color. What thinketh you guys? What should I do? What should I do? I don't know. Got to charge that battery. I don't know what to do. So, you know, this is probably dry now. Dry enough for me. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to raise it off of that table, off of that board. This is kind of a short video, so only 10 minutes long. Ooh, what time is it? Actually, guys, I'll do another video. Basically, all I'm going to do is raise it up and then spray the coat on there. I got to go. I got to pick up Teddy and Clara. Since this is a short video, I'll take you part way. Come on, get in there. There you go. I'm leaving all my crap everywhere. I haven't tested this thing yet. I got to get it up there. Maybe it just might happen today. Don't know. I'm going to leave these LED lights on because, quite honestly, they don't take hardly any energy. Famous last words, right? That's why you buy these things. The large lights will go off, and just the LEDs. Lightly sprinkle some light. Right there, you can see that light right over the door there. And let's go for a quick ride. Let's go into the house. Hi. I didn't shut the back of the truck up. Let's walk past the MGB, another one of my projects. I can't wait to start on that. Got to get that stupid Corvette out of the barn, or out of my shop, to make room for this. This is definitely going to be a show car. It's not really a show car, but I'll take it to shows because people will be interested in seeing it. I'm thinking, because I know I am. The last show I went to was Grand Rapids Coffee and Cars show on 40 Clay Avenue. They're done now, I guess. And they had a guy, an old guy in his 40s. He had a MG Midget. Real good shape. Nice car. Talk about cars later. See you guys. Bye.